In.
Very good. And how about you, Arthur? Very good. Who do you often travel with, Arthur? Do you travel with family or friends? Very good. And which country do you want to travel to, Peter? Very good. Okay, now I have here a picture. So Arthur, please ask. We don't know anything about the picture, so you ask Arthur, Peter. Okay? Okay, what is the name of the place? What is the name of the place, Peter? Very good. What is on the water? What is on the water? Okay, what is on the water? Is there like the sand or the cactus, the plant? What is on the water? Is there candle? Candle, okay, there is candle on the water. Next. What is that? Okay, what is the weather like? Okay, very good. Okay, what natural wonder you like the most? Do you like the desert or the Hollow Bay? I like the Hollow Bay. Okay, very good. Now, you don't know anything about Hollow Bay, so you ask Arthur. Okay? What is the name of the place? Very good. The weather like? It is winter. Is it winter? Is it sunny? Is it okay? What is the weather like? Is it okay? Next. Okay. What is behind the man? Is it a boat? Okay. What is behind the man? And it's a boat. It's a boat. Okay. Next. Okay. What should you bring to travel here? Backpack. Very good. Very good. Okay. Do you want to visit this place? Why? Or alright. I like very good. Now, let's talk about your bedroom. What is the color of your bedroom? Arthur, Peter, what is the color of your bedroom? Is it white? Is it green? Is it black? It's green. How about your bedroom?
It's orange.
Very good. Now, what is your favorite thing in your bedroom? My favorite thing is computer, bed, TV, cabinet. How about you?
It's a
Okay, thank you. That's the end of the test. Goodbye. All right.